I'm going to show you how to enter numbers as scientific notation in Google Sheets, and then I'll also show you how to turn off scientific notation in Google Sheets. So in Google Sheets, usually your format is going to be set to automatic. So I'll just show you format number automatic. So what Google Sheets will do is any number that you have large enough, it is automatically going to convert it to scientific notation. So I'm just going to enter a few zeros into this, and you can see large enough numbers, it's already going to display it as scientific notation. It only does that when your format is set to automatic. So to enter scientific notation, you can just enter it, and Google will already understand what you're trying to do. Or if you have numbers that it's not automatically converting to scientific notation, you can also just change the format. So what you want to do is you want to highlight all the cells that you want to change. You go to Format, Number, and then Scientific Notation here. And then this will just convert them all to scientific notation if that's how you want your numbers to display. So if it's changing your numbers to scientific notation and you want to stop this, you have to change the format. So you can't change it back to automatic, because if your number is large enough, it's always going to convert it. You can do something like number here, or you can set a custom format if you want. I'm just going to do number. And you can see that it has converted them all, no matter how large, that it is no longer going to display as scientific notation. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.